7 o'clock plan था, but 7:45 हो गया. That's okay. Early morning it's sometimes tough. Shiva, mic check. Man, mic check. 279 kilometers, 6 hours 53 minutes. 2:30 is the ETA, Shiva. 2:45. We'll try to make up maybe 2 hours. Let's see. Lovely sunrise here, yaar. Kind of chilly Bengaluru weather. There are a lot more clouds. Hoping not for rain today. Crazy Bangalore deviations. Actually, इधर left लेना है, but then there is ఉంది left ఉంది, but I think మనం free left है. We could have come from that side also, but yeah. So we're currently on the outer ring road of Bengaluru. I don't know if it is truly an outer ring road or Purana outer ring road, because it's in the middle of a city, and like concrete jungle ka naam actually is visible here. Hardly any trees except on the highway. I think all these are heading towards the hill stations, Mysore maybe. So there is another route which doesn't have tolls, but it's a single lane road. But Mysore road, when you take the expressway, it's 4 lane. So maybe it's worth paying the toll. But they should open 2 toll booths for bikes also, yaar. This route lo 7.5 kilometers are ride. Mysore da kundan anukuntunnaru. These apartments might have an amazing view if this lake is full. Looks good. Nice weather too here. Winter obviously, but still on the hill, right? On the Bangalore-Mysore route, in the beginning there are so many of these diversions. It's frustrating. Always something happening on this route or in Bangalore. But maybe in 2-3 years this would be a fully constructed అంటే I remember when we came in 2018, itna construction nahi hai. It was just a basic 4 lane road, sorry. Bangalore is almost will merge into Mysore in a matter of time. And it looks like the city. We haven't found a stretch where there is hardly any empty land. It feels like ఇది కూడా సిటీ లాగానే ఉంది, extension of the city. 42 kilometers since the hotel, so still part of the city. Kozhikode to the left. Kozhikode is only 200 kilometers. Nice. What straight? I don't know. Right. But Ooty is to the left. Another 120 kilometers and 3 hours of a ride. So 40 kilometers average pace. Haven't stopped throughout the ride so far except for fuel. Maybe we'll stop for a quick coffee and then Ooty, because before we hit Ghats, I think it's better to stop. Ghats will be very tiring. This is the town of Gundlupeta. Last time, if I remember correctly, there was a coffee day a few kilometers behind where we stopped for a quick coffee break, because when we came it was April and hot. This was 36-37 degrees, Tamil Nadu in peak summer. But then once we crossed this, it was the hills and the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. So maybe the last town before you hit the mountains. In case you want to find a fuel or something, this is the best place to get it. Ooty is only 70 kilometers. I don't know how much you can see in the map here, but that's the green border that we are entering. That's going to be the forest area. We see already a lot of resorts and safari boats. This is the Bandipura Tiger Reserve area where you can do safaris. This is adjoining the Kabini area. Welcome, Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Shiva, watch out for elephants. యా వస్తే ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యి ఎలిఫెంట్ అని చెప్పి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఎక్కావు. ఎలిఫెంట్ జోన్. క్లియర్, నో ఎలిఫెంట్స్. అరే లవ్లీ షాట్. వంపండి 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 వంపండి. ఆ లారీ వాడు బాగా అమ్ముతున్నాడు. అరే వెళ్ళరా వెళ్ళరా మాన్ మాన్ వెళ్ళి ఎప్పుడు లారీని ఫాలో అవ్వద్దు. వాడు తిప్పలేక రివర్స్ చేసి మళ్ళీ వస్తాడు. ఇక్కడ డుకాటి స్ట్రీట్ ట్విన్ బాబా ఏమన్నా మాది. हाँ डबल डोस. Hoping for a sighting or a two, but then this is the main road, so hardly you might see elephants, but nothing more. Looking at the traffic earlier, Shiva thought there was a sighting, but it was just a checkpost. But panthers were seen in Kabini. That's a rare animal in India. So if we find a panther, we might have to first accelerate, not stop and see, because they can run. Nice man, good to be back in the forest. I love it. I love spending time here. It's good to enjoy the ride in the forest sometimes by going slow. You won't get this experience again just riding in the forest. Very rare. And all these marks and gates is which goes to the safari trails. All these. It gets tempting to take the bike, but once if you take the bike, you will end up in jail. So don't do that. The mighty Nilgiris. ఎంత ఉంటుందిరా ఇది? ఒక 2500 మీటర్స్ ఉంటుందా? ఈ బ్రిడ్జ్లు అయితే మ్యాడ్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రతి బ్రిడ్జ్ దగ్గర ఈ చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి, బ్యాంబూ చెట్లు. ఒకప్పుడు నా స్ట్రీట్ విన్ ఈ డాంకీ లాగా ఉండేది సామాన్లు పెడితే. బట్ నైస్ అమ్మా. కానీ వెదర్ స్టిల్ 27. ఇట్స్ నాట్ కూలింగ్ డౌన్ యాజ్ ఫాస్ట్ as I thought. Maybe once we hit the mountains. And it's afternoon, so peak temperature is also the same, 26, 27. A very scenic location with a lovely road ma. Oh, blind corner, downhill, and you have the mountains ahead of you. మనం ఇలా వెళ్తుంటే పక్కన నుంచి ఒక డ్రోన్ వెళ్తే బాబా అయ్యో క్రూని హైర్ చేసుకుందాం రా ఇలాంటి ట్రిప్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు. Oh, these inclinations are, I don't remember these, man, but maybe they were so much fun on the street win that I didn't bother. This is 1250 meters. This is 1250, man. So I think Ooty could be around 2500 meters. I think the best ghats to ride are Araku ghats, ma, because the roads are wide and you can maintain good speeds. Those inclinations were so steep that in a matter of maybe 20 minutes, you see that area? Oh. That's where we came from, in 20 minutes. I've been seeing a few EVs of late here in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu quite a lot, but this is the first EV that I'm seeing in the hills, the Hyundai Kona. In the EV, Nexon EV, you can come, but you might have to charge. Lot of charging points in and around Mysore, so not an issue. One day maybe we will get the Nexon EV here. Would be fun. With the EV torque, you can climb these hills very easily. ABS is so good that you don't realize when it's kicking in on these advanced bikes, especially the German ones. But when you see on the app with all the data, oh man. And I could feel once in a while when you brake suddenly with the front brake, because I brake mostly the front brake even when I'm downhill or uphill. So the cheap ones, ABS ones, you can feel the ABS working in the front lever, brake lever. You can feel the vibrations and the resistance, but the good ones you don't feel that. Off-road, off-road, off-road. Arey, this is the spot. I have a photo of this spot where me and my father, my family took a photo when we first came on one of those horses. The taxi driver just stopped and asked us to go down and get photos. Inta road, inta traffic lekunde appudu, but wow, memories. 2010, 11 years ho gaya. I don't think you can see, but current air temperature 16 degrees. It will go as low as 11 or 10 in the night. It was 6 or 7 2 days back, so we'll not have the super chills, but still cold. This is what we came for. When we were planning for this trip, Kodai was first option. There was high chance of rain, 80 degree, 80%, 90%. So we skipped Kodai. We thought in one app, Ooty was just cloudy, no rain. But as you can see on the windshield and on the GoPro, straight, there is slight mist and drizzle. Nice. Cold, 15 degrees abhi, misty. But this is too touristy and commercial ho gaya, Ooty. Kunur is better. Kunur is more scenic, more beautiful, more remote. So we will definitely check out Kunur. And there is one lovely Italian place in Ooty that me and Shriman went last time. It's a must again. We'll try Italian thali for Shiva. Love the mist in the mountains there or the clouds. But then all you see is commercial properties and hotels and rooms. Shiva. Akada left. Shiva వెళ్ళాలమ్మా ఆర్ నేను కిందకి వెళ్తా అటు. చాలా పాత బిల్డింగ్, మేబీ అన్ యావరేజ్ రిసార్ట్, పాతకుంది బట్ మంచి ఫీల్ ఉంది. The resort that you see in the background is our resort in Ooty, and the view from here is lovely. It's called Sinclair Retreat. Take a look at that, especially those sun rays coming from the clouds. A small patch is lit up. Amazing here. That's the main town of Ooty. We'll head somewhere there in a while. We'll sit in a coffee shop and chill, but we might not get this view though. Enjoying the weather, Maya? Manchiga, cozyga. 10 years in the Ooty achi? ఇంకా ఎక్కువ.
I came to Ooty last time in 2003.
18 years.
2003,
Wow.
2000.
Arey, lovely yaar. What a scenery.
అరే ఇది మర్చిపోయి లేకపోకు.
అరే ఒకసారి కింద కూర్చొని నువ్వు లేకు. ఇప్పుడు దిగము
డైరెక్ట్ ల్యాండింగ్.
స్మాల్ ప్లెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్.
ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పుడు
నాట్ హిమ్, దిస్ గై, దిస్ ఢిల్లీ బెల్లి, తిరుగురా బెల్లి. ఈస్ ప్లానింగ్ ర్యాండమ్ నో గూగుల్ మ్యాప్ ఎక్స్కర్షన్ ట్రెక్. ఇటు అటు వెళ్తే ఊరు వస్తుంది. హీ వాంట్స్ టు గెట్ లాస్ట్. Place to be.
I've been.
We've been here 2 years back, 3 years back.
That's confusing. We don't know.
Wait, I'll check and tell. But 3 years back,
I think so. 2017.
and
20.
we have started somewhere up there by walk from our hotel. Walked all the way down to this place thanks to this fellow. What do you think Shiva would enjoy this place? This food?
It might. Because we ordered Indianized pizza for him.
Indian pizza.
చపాతి
Without cheese, no. నీకు పిజ్జా ఫస్ట్ అలవాటు అయినప్పుడు ఎట్లా అనిపించిందిరా?
చెత్తలా అనిపించింది
రోజులో ఇంటికి చీజేసారు.
నిజంగా ఏందిరా ఇది పిజ్జా అంటారు. అండ్ దానికి తోడు ఒక పిజ్జా దాని మొహం చూసిన తర్వాత డామినోస్లో 500 400 అన్నాడు. 400 ఇది 4 మిల్క్ షేకులు తాగుతారు రోజంతా తాగొచ్చు.
రొట్టె ముక్క మీద చీజ్ వేసి ఇచ్చారు.
My colleagues there in US understood that I'm struggling with it, so they took me to Arabian Hotel. So that is when first I had my pita bread and
Hummus. ఫలాఫల్ తినా?
తినలేదు. సో
ఫలాఫల్ తర
hummus and pita bread చూసినా దిబ్బ రొట్టె పల్లి చట్నీకి ఇన్ని పేర్లు అనిపించింది.
సో దట్స్ హాట్ చాక్లెట్ విత్ హేజల్నట్, బేసిక్ హాట్ చాక్లెట్, చాకోహాలిక్, అన్నీ స్పెషల్ మనకి. మంచిగా కూర్చొని బాస్ పెట్టేసుకుని. దీని ప్లేస్ పేరేంట్రా? కోకో పాట్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మీ హ్యావింగ్ హాట్ చాక్లెట్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎవర్. ఐ నెవర్ హ్యాడ్. ఆ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి? మ్యాడ్నెస్సా?
And if you love chocolate only,
ఐ లవ్
freaking thick chocolate.
లెట్స్ ట్రై.
నచ్చిందరా? మెంటల్ ఉందా? ఇది హాట్ చాక్లెట్.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ హాట్ చాక్లెట్.
This is what I had in Hyderabad
థియరీ.
Not as good. That would be 80% of this.
సేమేగా విప్ క్రీమ్ నాకు
But
ఇష్టం.
you should like chocolate like properly.
I like chocolate,
Like very deep.
but I wish it was dark chocolate though. Look at the fog. This is fog Ooty. Water red. సమ్మగా ఉండిందా?
తడిసిపోయింది రైట్ వైపు ముద్దగుంది.
ఏంటి? హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ గైస్. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఊటీ, ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ద 3 of us. చెప్ శివ.
హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఊటీ.
పాడు.
Happy New Year to you.
లోపలికి వెళ్తాం.
వీడు తడిసి ముద్ద.
మళ్ళీ న్యూ ఇయర్ చేసుకుందాం. బెంగళూరులో చేసుకుందాం.